In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make tracing letters in WPS Office. Tracing letters can be a fun and educational activity, especially for learning handwriting or creating stylish text designs. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to prepare and use a special font for tracing letters directly in WPS Office. First, we need a font that is suitable for tracing letters. There are many websites where you can find fonts, but for this example, we will use a free website to find a dotted font that is perfect for tracing. Open your web browser and navigate to a site that offers free fonts. In this case, we will search for the National First font, which is widely used for tracing activities because of its dotted structure. Once you locate the font, click the Download button. The font file will be downloaded as a compressed zip file. After the download is complete, open the folder where your downloaded file is stored. You will need to extract the contents of the zip file. On most devices, you can simply right-click the zip file and select Extract Here, or use any extraction tool available on your system. After extracting the files, locate the font file, which is typically in a TTF or OTF format. Double-click the font file to open it, and then click Install. This will add the font to your system, making it available for use in WPS Office and other applications. Next, open the WPS Office app on your desktop. You can either create a new blank document or open an existing document where you want to type your tracing letters. Once your document is open, go to the Font Selection drop-down and look for the National First font that we just installed. Select it as your active font. Now you are ready to start typing. As you type, each letter will appear in the tracing style with dotted lines that are perfect for following over with a pen or for practice exercises. You can adjust the font size to make the letters larger or smaller depending on your needs. This method allows you to create a clean and professional tracing template quickly and easily within WPS Office. By following these steps, you can create tracing sheets for educational purposes, design projects, or even personal practice. The dotted font makes it simple for anyone to follow along and learn letter formation efficiently. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.